Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel One Two Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys how you can log in into your Ochsner employee account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can follow them to log into your employee account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for Ochsner employee login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the first link that shows up, and here, after you do so, it will take you to the official login site of Ochsner, where you need to input your username and password to continue your bank account. Now just input your username and password correctly, and after you do so, you can hit on sign on and then you'll be signed in into your Ochsner employee account. This was for this video, and that's how you can sign in into your Ochsner employee account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.